Let's take a look at command line basics. Head and tail. Head and tail are commands that print the first and last parts of a file, respectively. By default, head prints the first 10 lines of a file, and tail prints the last 10 lines. Let's take a look at their man pages. By default, head prints the first 10 lines of a file to standard output. This can be changed using the -n flag to specify the number of lines instead of assuming the default of 10. Tail behaves very similarly. Let's create a text file and use head and tail to examine its first and last lines. We can observe that foo.txt now contains a sorted list of the files in user bin. We can use head to display the first 10 lines of the file. We can use tail to display the last 10 lines of the file. To view a different number of lines, say the first or last 5 lines of a file, we can use the -n option with head and with tail. These are the first 5 lines of foo.txt. And these are the last 5 lines of foo.txt. Head and tail can also be used in a pipeline. Let's list the last 7 items of the contents of the directory user bin. To do this, we will use ls to list the contents, sort to sort them, and pipe the output to tail with the appropriate option, listing the last 7 items in the directory user bin.